MeghalayaPost.news.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Conrad ke Samla menta kasengi ulalit ban shimenta kumukongsan na kabentaban penkamti ya ke Meghalaya IT Awards arah jarar punrio syaki Samla pulie ki pas baha ke academic year arah jarar posan bala penlong menta kasengi hasusu tham auditorium shillong ya kan ika Pynkup Burom la penlong da ke Information Technology and Communications Department ke Sarkar Meghalaya balawan ruban shimenta dauba lakmen rumbui ubade menteri ketenat pulie puti hapo Kajala lembat kwe ki he officer ke Sarkar Shibenta nakani Pynkup Burom ya ki Samla bapas baham bat ki bawan syakmat aki jing puli la samru ya ki laptop syaki Samla puli dau menteri Rangba Kajala baru balak men rembui rengkat ki wei ki he Sarkar haba jing kuran hakani ke sengi kum kongsan u Conrad ki Sangma ulai ku blai kerpang ya ki Samla puli ki Ioh Pdiang Khusnam balatip kum ke Meghalaya IT Awards arah jarar posan bat kani ke Ioh Pdiang Khusnam kedai namar bagi Samla puli ki turai sitom bat ki du tia du dem ban puli kot ha ka baki don ya ka hok ban yo ya ke jing itu ne ya Khusnam haba kuran ru halor ke jing sam laptop ulaong bakani ke jingai laptop ke de jingai subhai ke Samla puli bat ka theuru kum ke jingai min sim bat ke jing penslur bakinang la ban treshi tom ha ke jing puli.
I first of all would like to take this opportunity to congratulate each and every one of you. What you have achieved today is something that every student aspires to achieve. But very few are able to make it. We are here today to let you know that all the hard work that you put in through the years, all the sleepless nights you went through, all the sacrifices you made, the focus and the concentration with which you studied and went through all the materials and the different subjects. At that moment, it may have looked very difficult for you. But in this particular moment, I, as the Chief Minister of a state, our Education Minister, and the entire government wants to tell you that all those sacrifices you made was worth it, and that we are very proud of what you have achieved. I just wanted to, as I said, let you know that we are here to really appreciate and give a small pat on the back to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And that's really what the purpose of today's program is. It's not the value of the laptop, it's not the value of us standing here, but it's the value of all the hard work that you put in. So I remember a young friend had come and give a speech out here saying that please give a round of applause to the IT department. I think it should be the other way around. I think if I could request all our officials and the VIPs who are present, let us all stand up and give a round of applause to the students. Yeah, parents can get up, students can sit. Students don't need to stand. We are applauding you. Your parents are applauding you. The government is applauding you for what you have done. This is a very, very proud moment for all of you.
MeghalayaPost.news.